Dr. Besigye ayuuguumizza Arua municipali olw'eggulo lwa leero. Besigye asookedde mu ssaza lya Madyokolo ne Ayivu ekiikirira omubaka Bernard Atiku ku tiketi ya FDC. Wabula we twogerera, Atiku takyali makambugu na kibiina kya FDC. Akwatidde FDC bendera kano Dr. Kizza Besigye asinzidde mu ssaza lya Ayivu. Atiku gy'akiikirira n'amulangira okulya mu lulime ne mu luzise.
When everybody is running away from Museveni, that Atiku is going to Museveni. What does Atiku know about Museveni? What does Atiku know about NRF? When Mbabas is running away, you Atiku, you are going to NRF.
Wabula Atiku bwe twogeddeko naye ku lukomo lw'essimu atubuulidde nti omubaka wa Terego Kasiyano Wadri n'omukyala Christine Abia be baamukyankalanya n'asalawo okwesimbawo ku lulwe era nabo abayise bannanfuusi.
Honorable Kasiyano Wadri is one. Honorable Christine Abia is she's a hypocrite. She wrote 3 pages of a critique about Besigye. But today, because it's the election period, she wants to be very close to Besigye. She thinks, she's pretending to be the one defending Besigye here. Honorable Kasiyano Wadri is another hypocrite. He told me personally that Besigye is a man of no principles.
Wabula nabo bamwanukudde.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. One, when he joined FDC, it was his personal conviction. He never wrote a letter to me, not to Kasiyano Wadri. Let him be very bold to the nation that he joined politics for money, and that will be it. I was convinced. I have been a university lecturer. I'm a member of the EU Parliament.
The Honorable Atiku Bernard should be truthful to himself.
Atiku agamba nti bamuwalana kubanga awagira ekyokufuula Arua ekibuga.
Now, as a member of parliament, when I support government programs, it doesn't mean I am a mole.
If Arua city is to take roots, I will be one of the first beneficiaries. I'm a businessman in Arua town.
Atiku ategeeza nti ekya Besigye okujja mu ssaza ly'akiikirira n'amwambalira asazeewo akunga abawagizibe balonde Museveni.
So for me, I will stand out to proclaim the good things the NRM has done and to tell people to vote for Museveni and not for Besigye because Besigye is preaching hatred.
Weziweredde saa 10 ez'akawungeezi ka leero ng'ekibuga Arua kikwatiridde abawagizi ba Besigye. Besigye era asinzidde eno n'ategeeza nga bw'alina enteekateeka ez'okulaakulanya ebibuga nga ne Arua mw'omutwalidde.
Our towns need to be developed so that people who stay within the towns can also be prosperous.
Besigye nga tannayingira kibuga Arua atuuseko ne ku nsalo ya Uganda ne Congo.
We have already welcomed our president Kizza Besigye today in Otamitaku. This is our man. We need a new change. Me, I'm the one fire.
Wano ku nsalo ya Machako, ku nsalo ya Uganda ne Congo mu ssaza ly'e Ayivu, Dr. Besigye akubyewo olukuŋŋaana. Bannayuganda n'Abakongo bazze mu bungi okumuwuliza wano ku nsalo. Jingo Francis, NTV.